Think you know world flags? Let's test your skills. One of the easiest flags to recognize. That is Japan. A famous North American country? That is Canada. Football fans know this one. That is Brazil. A powerful European nation. That is Germany. A colorful South Asian country. That is India. Famous for fashion and food. That is France. Look carefully. That is Italy. One of the world's most famous flags. That is United States. An island nation in Europe? That is United Kingdom. A country down under? That is Australia. The world's most populated country? That is China. Famous for K-pop and technology? That is South Korea. Known for tacos and culture? That is Mexico. Can you recognize this European flag? That is Spain. Between Europe and Asia? That is Turkey. Football lovers know this flag. That is Argentina. A rich Middle Eastern nation? That is Saudi Arabia. Beautiful beaches and temples? That is Thailand. A country made of many islands? That is Indonesia. Home of the pyramids? That is Egypt. Final easy challenge. That is South Africa. How many flags did you guess correctly? Comment your score below. Subscribe for more fun flag quizzes.